Hey guys, thank you for joining me today and welcome back. I hope you all are doing well today. So today I'm going to continue to show you how I create some beautiful home decor using a styrofoam pumpkins that I picked up from my discount store. And these two came out absolutely beautiful, guys. One is a bluish quartz colored pumpkin, very beautiful, glossy, very metallic. And the other is a topiary. It came out absolutely beautiful. So I'm going to get right into it. I'm going to start with this large foam pumpkin. I got this from my discount store. The texture of this pumpkin is very, very smooth. So I'm hoping that the paint I'm going to be using today will stick really well. But before I paint it, I'm just going to wipe it down a little bit. And I'm going to remove that stem because I'm going to be painting that as well. So now that that's out, I am going to just cover up my desktop so that I don't get paint everywhere. So I'm going to start by inserting a wooden skewer that I picked up from Dollar Tree. Now my paint I get from Amazon, and this is the Treasure Gold paint, and the color I'm using today is called Blue Quartz. And this paint is really thick, so I'm going to use a dampened paintbrush just to kind of thin it out a little bit as I paint. So I'm just going to pour this on just a little bit, just drizzle it on, and I'm going to paint the entire pumpkin with this amount of paint that you see here on top of the pumpkin. And I'm just going to paint that all around. I'm just going to go all around with that. I'm not going to use any more paint than you see here. I'm going to let this dry for about an hour, and then I'm going to come back, guys, and I'm going to paint this pumpkin 2 more times because I wanted to have a nice solid color, and I also wanted to have that nice metallic glow. I want it to be nice, even, and consistent throughout the entire pumpkin. So I'm going to let that dry for about an hour. And so now I'm going to work on the stem, and the stem is made from plastic, and I'm going to cover the stem with some of my Aleene's clear gel tacky glue, and I'm going to be sprinkling that sterling silver glitter that I have right there. I'm going to sprinkle that on top, and then I'm going to just put that away and let it dry for a little bit. So it's been about 2.5 hours and the pumpkin is completely dry, and I've painted it a total of 3 times. So the color is absolutely beautiful and even and consistent throughout the whole pumpkin. So now I'm going to use the silvery clear stick-on gems that I picked up from the Dollar Tree, and I had these for maybe like a couple of years, guys. And I'm just going to lay those inside the little curves of the pumpkin. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to hot glue the first gem into place as well as the last gem. These are not really sticking that well to the paint, so I'm just going to use a little bit of hot glue to adhere those gems down. So right now I'm going to wipe off all the hot glue strings, and I'm going to attach the pumpkin stem now, and I'm going to do that using a little bit of hot glue. And I'm just going to put some hot glue inside as well, and I'm going to just place that in. I'm going to let it set and let it dry completely. I'm going to set that in and let it cool down completely. After that, guys, this pumpkin is ready. This project was very quick, came out absolutely beautiful, and I'm going to be using this riser that I made a couple of years ago. It's a crystal riser. It came out really nice. I may make another one this holiday season, but guys, here's the finished project. Let me know what you think. I love the way this looks. It's very simple, it's elegant, it looks really nice. So these are the 3 pumpkins that I'm going to be using. As you can see, there are 3 different sizes, so that's going to be fun. It's going to look really fun. And I'm going to start by removing the stems from all 3 pumpkins. I'm going to add the skewers inside. I'm using the skewers as handles. This is the Artecho paint, and this color is called Pearl White. And guys, I'm going to demonstrate what this looks like on one pumpkin, and then I'm going to move ahead and paint the others and let those completely dry. So guys, these are the pumpkins. These are completely dry, and look how beautiful they look. The pearl white paint is really, really gorgeous on this. And I want to show you what it originally looked like. This is the larger pumpkin. They're all from the same store, but the color is absolutely beautiful. I love that color. So now for my accent decoration, I'm going to be using, I don't know what color this is, guys, and if I can find it, I'll try to link something very similar. And I'm going to just cut these into single row pieces, and I'm going to attach these to the indentation on each pumpkin. So I'm going to attach these 2 pieces right now, and that came out really pretty, guys. I love the way this looks. This looks really nice just by itself. If I created a couple of them and just placed them around my house during the fall season, look really pretty. I'm going to use a little bit of hot glue and my skewer just to stack them. And guys, here's the project. Absolutely beautiful. Look how that looks. The color of the pumpkin is everything, and the gemstone adhesive decoration just makes it pop. I absolutely love this, guys. This is so beautiful. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Guys, please don't forget to thumbs up the video. Please don't forget to subscribe. And I want to thank you so much for joining me today. I do appreciate it. And you stay well, stay safe, and stay blessed. And I will see you at the next video. Bye-bye.